So guys, this AI agent is like a personal assistant of your, which remembers everything you tell it. It remembers all the personal data that you tell it, and it records everything in a Google Sheet. So you might be thinking you can do the same thing as for any LLM. You can either use ChatGPT or Claude or Google Gemini. But the having a personal AI agent assistant that remembers everything is, I think, far more better, because it remembers the type of person you are. Because if you search anything on LLM, uh, it re- it re- it requires, it asks for certain type of instruction. For example, if you're looking for some kind of some kind of niche. Let's say you want to run an ad and you're looking for a niche. So LLM asks for what kind of people you're looking for, or you need to give certain type of instruction. So I basically have my phone, and I'm going to rate the benefits of having a personal AI agent that remembers everything. So uh, the personalization is far more than having an LLM. You don't need repetition. So every time you search something on LLM again and again, when you start a new chat, it will ask some inquiry. Like, you need to be very specific if you want certain result. The context, the information is extremely personal. So all anything you ask for in feedback, it will give you the exact, not the exact, but something similar to your style, basically. So let me give you a quick example. Uh, so I have connected my agent to Telegram. So it starts with a Telegram trigger. So let me just start, and let's put something. Let's let's start with something simple. Like, I'm just having my coffee. Let's put I love coffee. Sorry. So Telegram has started, and it's doing its job. So I just got a reply, and if you open all the memories, all the data you tell the agent, it stores in a Google Sheet. So once you open, there you go. User loves coffee. So if I want to ask something, like if I want to retrieve some kind of information, it can do that as well. So let's ask, what animal do I love? There you go. So it says you love dog. And if we go to our memory, if we go to our Google Sheet, it says user loves dogs too. Okay. So it's just a simple way to understand that how this is working, and how you can put a personal data into it and retrieve from it. So let's just get started. So we will start our agent using a Telegram trigger. So just go over here and search for Telegram. Sorry. And scroll down, and you will see it says trigger, and in the trigger you will find on message. So trigger starts with the when it gets a new message. So you have to put in your credential. I will not go through how to put in credential in your Telegram. Just YouTube how to put credential in your Telegram N8n, and then we will start trigger on using a message. Then we will connect our Telegram trigger to our Google Sheet. So again, you need to put in credential and search for how to put credential in Google Sheet in N8n. After putting credential, choose sheet within documents row, and once you put in credential, you will find all the uh, your Google Sheets in your Google Sheet and choose the one you make. So before you start this agent, you need to create a Google Sheet. Just put in whatever name you want, and your first column of the first row should be whatever you want. Like I've put memories. You can put something other than that, like data or self-knowledge, stuff like that. So once you save that Google Sheet, go back to your Google Sheet N8n in N8n, and you will find, after putting credential, you will find your all the sheets that are in your Google Sheet. Choose the one, select sheet number one. Then we will connect in an aggregate. So these are all the memories which are put in your Google Sheet. So if we have like multiple data, it aggregates together, it puts together, and it puts in this aggregate node puts in all together. Like over here we have all the memories we have. So it combines everything together, all together. Then we will use a merge. Okay, so this is basically for the other part of the agent, for the retrieving of data part. So this is for the input when we want to put a new data. So this upper part is for putting your data, and this bottom part is also kind of, I mean, it's not that necessary, but you don't want, if you don't want, you don't have to. So this other part is for retrieving of data, if you want to retrieve any kind of data from the Google Sheet. So once you do that, we will connect our Telegram to switch account. We will use two type of switch. One is text and one is the audio one. So once the Telegram gets a new message, it goes to switch account, switch node. And once you get the message, you see over here, it says, what animal do I love? This was the input. I just drag this variable from here to here. And you will get this. What animal do you love? And over here you need to put text. And over here we have a voice similar to it. Let me show you how it works. So let's say, let me start the trigger first. I love octopus. So you see, it got an audio. So once you get the audio, you will find something like this. So once the switch get your input from your Telegram, you will find this variable. It's called mime_type. Just drag from here to here. So it goes from your AI agent and stuff. I will talk about further. Then you will connect. We need to put your audio variable from here to here and type audio. Okay. Then we will have these two categories. So let's start with the text first. So you need to put an edit field. Just put in a new field and name it text string, and then drag your text. You will get a text variable from here to here. Just drag from here to here. Okay. Then for the audio, then you need to connect your edit field to your merge, your second input. Okay. You need to combine. You need to choose combine, and you need to choose all possible combination. Then for the audio part in switch node, you need to connect it to your Telegram. Just put in your credential. Over here you need to put file get, and this is your voice message. So drag your file ID from here and drag it to here. Then click on download. Then we will connect our Telegram to our OpenAI. This is for transcribing or recording. So go over here and type OpenAI, and over here you will find transcribe a recording. Then connect your Telegram to transcribe recording. Put audio, transcribe a recording, and data. Then we will connect our OpenAI to merge. Then over here, from here, we will choose an AI agent. So go over here and type AI agent. Okay. And we will connect our merge to our AI agent. So this is the your text. This is the input we get from our Telegram. So let me start this over so that we have some kind of input. So let's say I love game. So there you go. So this is the text. Just drag from here to here. And then we will connect a chat model, OpenAI, then a simple memory. Over here you might find it a little bit difficulty because you need to put some kind of key. So you might be getting something like this connected to a trigger node, and you might be getting some kind of error over here. So change this to define, and your key should be your message from the user. So let me just scroll down to your very first node, Telegram node. Where is it? Okay, this one. So drag your username from here to here and just leave this context window length to 5. And then we will connect our tool to our OpenAI, our AI agent. This is to retrieve data from the sheet. So go to Google and type Google Sheet and choose this option, append row in sheet, and connect it to your agent and select that sheet. So in my case it's self-knowledge and sheet, and this is choose a map each column manually, and over here you need to put in memory, and you will get something like this. Okay, and just click over here, and once you update any kind of data, if you put any kind of data, the sheet is automatically updated. So in my case, I just told agent that I love game, and it says user loves game. Then again we will put the end to our AI agent using a Telegram trigger. This is for the reply. So connect your agent to Telegram, and over here put in your credential, message, send a message, and over here you need to put chat ID. So click on your very first Telegram trigger and you will see chat ID. Where is it? Yeah, over here. Just drag from here to here. And over here you need to put what kind of message we got in our last agent, in our last node. So this was the output. So drag from here to here and reply mark, it should be none. And over here you need to turn off append N8n attribution, and that's it. So this was the quick AI agent tutorial on for your personal AI agent that remembers everything and can reply to your personal data. So if you like the video, make sure to thumbs up and take care.